Sausage and broccoli pasta is an Italian classic pasta dish, a family style favorite that I grew up loving. I'm going to show you how you can make it either in white sauce or red sauce. It's delicious either way. I know you're going to love it, so let me show you my twist of it on the Blackstone. If you've never had sausage and broccoli pasta, you are missing out. It's such a quick dinner. This Italian pasta was a staple growing up in my house. The most popular way you'll see this dish is using an orecchiette pasta, or also referred to as ears because of the shape of the pasta. They look like little tiny ears. You'll also often see this dish made with broccoli rabe instead of regular broccoli. I know broccoli rabe can be hard to find for some, and a lot of people might not like the bitterness of it, but Italians, we love it. Today we've got fresh broccoli, Italian sweet sausage, and we're going tortellini style using Rana's refrigerated tortellini. Our prep is super fast and easy, chopping up a boatload of fresh garlic as well as a boatload of broccoli. You want to use all of this broccoli, stems and all, making sure to chop everything nice and small. This way it cooks super fast on our griddle. I've got all 4 burners set to low heat. We'll drizzle down a little oil and get our sausage cooking. Now, because I'm using sausage in the casing versus ground sausage, I'm going to tear the sausage into little bite-sized pieces, then go in with my scraper, which I love using for chopping up meat, getting this even smaller. Let that start to brown and cook through, then drizzle down a little more oil on our right side of our griddle, get our broccoli dropped down, tossing it throughout that oil, and allow this to begin to cook. After a few minutes, you can marry the sausage with that broccoli and allow them to cook together. In the center of everything, we'll go down with a little more of our sizzle oil and add all of that chopped up garlic. Let it saute just for a few seconds, then toss it throughout everything. For a kick of heat, we add a pinch of crushed red pepper. If you want, you could make this dish super spicy and go with all hot Italian sausage instead of sweet, or do a mixture of the two. I'm seasoning with the very last of my Blackstone Tutto Italiano seasoning, hoping and praying that this comes back to shelves one day, because not only is it my favorite, but I did get to help create this seasoning, and I know a lot of you message me about how much you miss it. For now, go with your favorite Italian seasoning or pick up the Blackstone Tuscan Herb, which is perfect for this dish. Time to drop our tortellini or your favorite cooked pasta, the refrigerated Rana tortellini, fries and steams to cook throughout so fast on the griddle. I like to add a little bit of chicken stock, which helps the pasta cook and helps to create just the lightest sauce. But if you want a thicker, saucier pasta, you can add a pan right to the griddle surface and add as much chicken stock to this as you want. Once your pasta is cooked to perfection and everything is cooked through, your broccoli is nice and tender, comes my favorite part: freshly grated locatelli cheese. A ton of it. It's a Pecorino Romano cheese. It's rich, nutty, and sharp. I always keep a big wedge of this on hand. Tossing it with everything to melt throughout, especially that chicken stock, helps with our very light sauce. Also adds so much flavor. This 10-minute dish is ready to plate up. Of course, I'm going to finish it with more of our freshly grated cheese. This 10-minute dish is ready to plate up. Of course, I'm going to finish it with more of our freshly grated cheese. Garnish it with a little crushed red pepper if you can take the heat, and an extra drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and this is perfect, done, ready to enjoy. If you wanted this white pasta dish in red sauce, you could add your favorite pasta sauce or cook down some fresh tomatoes or a good brand of tomatoes. I love these Datterini or Baby Roma tomatoes. They're sweet and add just enough red sauce for me. Now, you guys gotta go make this sausage and broccoli dish, whether with broccoli rabe or broccoli, hot or sweet sausage, in white or red sauce. It's delicious, and I want you guys to try it and taste it. I know you guys are gonna love it. You know my rule. If you make it, post it and tag us. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. I cannot wait to share another family style favorite with you.